Okay, so quick disclaimer before everyone starts complaining about you driving like a maniac on a dangerous road. The road where I drive that speed is in industrial park in the weekend. So we just drove there before and there is absolutely nobody, and you can't see it on the GoPro, but you really have a very clear vision if there is anyone on the street. So that's the only safe place that you can actually drive those speeds. So I know what I am doing, okay? I'm not driving those speeds in small villages. It's a left place. Nobody was there. We drove first before the video. I also drove there. There is nobody there. It's absolutely empty. So just that you know, don't complain about the speeds in that area. It's a safe left place, and in the weekends a lot of people go drag racing there. So it's just that you know, it's a big empty road with good visual. It just doesn't look like that on the GoPro, but it is, okay? Yo guys, and welcome to today's video. Well, today in this gorgeous day we're not gonna take this car for a drive, but we are going to drive my dream car finally. So the last video that I uploaded, actually 2 videos ago already, I was passenger in an M2 competition, and the same owner, he's gonna sell that car tomorrow or in 2 days, and he said, you know, if you wanted it take it for a drive, you can. So I was like, hell yeah, I want to take it for a drive. I mean, that would be the first M car that I would ever drive in my life. So I was like, okay, deal. And that's what we are going to do now. So we are going to take his M2 for a test drive. He's going to arrive here any moment, and then you know, it's a little boy's dream that came true for me, so to finally drive a plus 400 horsepower car, and it's going to be an M2 competition, which I would really love to own. So yeah, I'm really, you know, a little bit nervous actually, because that's the first time I will ever drive a 400 horsepower car. I mean, the most powerful car I've ever drove was the Ford Mustang EcoBoost. So that's still another 100 horsepower down, and I don't think that car didn't felt like it had 320 horsepower, more like 270 or 280. So yeah, I'm really curious to drive with this car, how a real M car feels in comparison to, you know, a normal F20, which has been built to perform better. So yeah, I am really curious how the car will drive, and we're also trying to get some nice point of view action with the head that I have already laying ready with a charged GoPro battery. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun drive, and I hear him coming, and there she is, the beauty behind that Jeep. What a machine, what a machine. And here he is. Okay, so quick disclaimer, I just took the car for a drive, and then I, you know, pushed it a little bit here and there to the limit, but I had no commentary, just driving, shut up, and, you know, hear the engine make beautiful noise, and just, you know, enjoy the drive. And, you know, it's about a 5-minute clip, so you can skip to the later parts. There I have a little bit more action, but it's just driving around with some pulse. But yeah, it was a fun drive.
We zien er eigenlijk niks aan, hè? Ik ga naar links, want met die werken. Civic Type R. Als ze maar wilt spelen, kan hem op zijn doos krijgen. Hij wilt spelen. En dat trekt zo'n auto wel aan natuurlijk, hè. Terugdraaien dat ik hem mis. Dan zal ik wel goed gereden hebben. Hè. Doe maar, ik heb daar juist een auto aangereden. Wow, just whoa. Driving in M2 competition, it was, whoa, that was amazing. That was really, really fucking amazing. I really need that car. Oh damn. And you know, when I just drove this one for a short while again, and it felt so slow. That M2 is just, I don't know, you're driving already 70, 80 kilometers an hour and you just floor it and it pushes you back in the seats like it's nothing. And whoa, just whoa, what a machine. I'm so, grateful that the owner let me take it for a drive. So big thanks to him. But yeah, man, now we really need to get an M2 on the channel ASAP, or at least something with 400 horsepower. Because damn, that's a killer machine. It's whoa. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye.